What is up, guys? Ruben here, and I'm making a unboxing video, and it's gonna be a special unboxing video because I've been waiting for 3 days. And if you guys know my Cherrywood kaizen, I got something to go with it, and it's the cherry pill kendama. Yeah, so looks really cool. So it's the first unboxing. So this opens it. I got this pen cap because I can't find scissors. Okay. It's just a sticker. I just ruined the box. Well, who cares? In unique juggling. The pill is a unique juggling toy developed by Tara Kendama with simplicity, creativity, and playability in mind. The pill is an interesting toy that will challenge and inspire the player to discover increasingly complex creative tricks, satisfying spikes, and the air tricks, combos, skillful balances will improve the player's dexterity, hand-eye coordination, and creativity. We hope you will enjoy the pill so much as we do. And Kendama USA and Terra. Kind of ripped it, but I don't care. So just open this like so. Just pull it out. Here's a cherry kendama. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Not really, but ooh, the string though. Super spike. Man, now go outside and play. Okay, here's a package, but I'm pretty sure it's just the stickers and stuff. Cheap. Here's a sticker. No, that's a thing. That's a sticker. Okay, another sticker. And some strings. Oh. Okay. But that's the cherry kendama and our turn to be nasty. Our turn. And it comes with Kendama USA stickers because I ordered it on Kendama USA. Kendama USA. Okay. But yeah, so cherry kendama. Hashtag cherry pill. Peace.